Since long ago, hyenas have been considered one of the most greedy carnivores. They can kill large animals such as zebras, wildebeest, and wild buffalo, and steal the prey from other species. For more detail on the predatory behavior of hyenas, now let's find it out with us together. The merciless hunts of hyenas. The hyena family is a family of relatively large carnivorous animals, native to Africa and the Indian subcontinent. They have two longer and stronger forelimbs than their hind limbs, strong teeth capable of tearing very tough meat. Hyenas rarely hunt on their own, but mostly follow other predators such as lions and leopards, and they will steal their food. Because the hyena's body is not perfect for hunting like a lion or leopard, it is very difficult for them to control or kill their prey, forcing them to rely on other species for food. Hyenas also track and use scavengers like vultures to locate successful hunts. But with their greedy, reckless nature and their sharp teeth and herd lifestyle, a herd of hyenas can also defeat and kill lions thanks to their numerical superiority. Besides, when alone, hyenas also like to fight and steal prey from leopards. The hyena steals an antelope from the African wild dog. Below is a fight between hyenas and African wild dogs to compete for prey. While the pack of wild dogs is trying to destroy the prey that is an antelope, out of nowhere, a hyena appears. Their appearance is hungry and wants to compete for the meal for the opponent. Hyenas are relatively common carnivores in Africa. Given themselves an ugly appearance, the cold-blooded, cruel to the point of being able to eat their own young, for many people, the hyena is one of the animals with the power of demons and dark forces. The African wild dog is an animal with a near-perfect hunting skill. If even for adept predators such as lions and hyenas, the hunting success rate is about 30%. While the African wild dog, this rate is approximately 80%. Unable to let the hyena achieve their goal, the wild dog also worked hard to keep his achievement. After a while of fighting, the hyenas won and dragged the prey to another place to enjoy. Witnessing their meal being robbed in front of their eyes, the stray dogs had to leave with pity. The hyena eats a hippo. Hippos are one of the largest four-legged animals. Despite having short legs and a stocky build, they can easily run faster than humans. They have been recorded at speeds of 30 km per hour or 19 miles per hour over short distances. It is the most ferocious animal in the African savanna, and in terms of danger, it even surpasses crocodiles, lions, and leopards. But when it was sick, it couldn't do anything more than the hungry hyenas. In the water is a sight of a hippopotamus caught in the eye of a hyena. A hippopotamus appears to be ill, so it is easily approached by the hyenas and try to eat it even while it is alive, without encountering the hippo's fierce defensive reaction. The opportunistic cannibals are so impatient that they try to eat the hippo while the victim is still alive, and the hippo tries to drag its massive body into the river to escape the hyenas. But because of their body that is so tired, the hippo cannot escape the pursuit of the hyena. The hyena slowly enjoys its big meal. The hyena hunt a wildebeest. Hyenas are all intelligent animals. They are even said to be smarter than chimpanzees. The hyena's brain is very developed, and it can solve problems quickly. The special thing is that hyenas can work strategically, well in groups, and is all that happens in silence. One of the most dangerous sounds in the wildlife world is the deadly laughter of the hyena. The hyena only smiles to signal excitement when it finds food. Wildebeest are relatively gentle and a shy species. Just any animal that comes close is enough to make it run away for life. However, when cornered and facing death, wildebeest will become extremely brave and fiercely resist. Because of their cunning nature, they have the ability to hunt larger prey such as wild boar, zebra, or wildebeests. Thanks to their strong jaws, they can bite through the trachea of their prey in just a few short seconds. In the video above, the hyena has shown its appetite when killing a wildebeest. It has begun to tear the flesh of its prey. Accordingly, hyenas chase to hunt the wildebeest, and after catching the wildebeest, the hyena immediately tore the groin area, the weakest part of the body, and caused the prey to suffer serious injuries. This makes the wildebeest not only unable to run away, but also gradually losing blood to death. The hyena wins an impala from a leopard. As we all know, in order to ensure enough food, sometimes animals have to compete for each other's food. In particular, the hyena is known as an animal that specializes in stealing other species' food. That is why they are hated by other animals. Moreover, this is an extremely greedy, cold-blooded and cruel animal. They are willing to eat all of their fellow kind. Even the young in the herd is just there to satisfy their hunger. With the ability to run fast with their sharp teeth and herd lifestyle, hyenas can completely be a powerful and fearsome predator on the steppe, but instead of properly hunting, they prefer to steal prey from other predators' hands. With its prey in its mouth, the leopard is preparing to enjoy its fruit. Out of nowhere, a hungry hyena appeared, and when it discovered that the leopard had hunted the impala, the hyena immediately approached. With the fast speed of the hyena, it scared the leopard and jumped up and had to flee into the nearby bushes. After catching the ill-fated impala, the hyena immediately processed its meal. Leopards can now only be quietly watched their prey leave the vein. Thus, thanks to its sharp teeth and extremely reckless, hyenas can kill larger animals such as zebras, deers, buffalo, and wildebeest, and so much more. Besides, it can also rob other animals' food when they are caught off guard. And to continue watching our videos on YouTube, please click the like, subscribe, and follow us. Have a good day, and see you in the next video.